Hey guys, it's Jen here from Nails by Jen. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, thanks for stopping by. So today I'm doing another watch me work video for you guys. This is going to be a bit of a quicker one because I'm just simply doing an infill or a backfill on this client, and then I'm going to be placing a ton of butterfly decals on her nails. I absolutely love how these turned out. Very simple and very springy. I am so ready for spring. So if this is something you're interested in, stick around, keep watching. As always, don't forget to click that like and subscribe for me. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing I have to do is remove her old set. You guys, this was my absolute favorite set that I did in January. I'm sad to see them go. The first thing I have to do is take off her rhinestones, and I forgot to press record. Well, let me correct myself. I thought I hit record, she thought I hit record, and lo and behold, it did not record. So my favorite way to remove rhinestones is actually to use one of my old carbide bits. If you noticed when I was just showing you that little silver one, it is a little bit skinnier than this one. These ones are a larger barrel, but I do prefer the skinnier ones for removing rhinestones. I don't know why, I just feel like I've been doing it that way forever. And I usually will get the client to actually hold her other hand up in front of the hand that I'm drilling the rhinestones off, just in case they kind of go flying in her direction. I know that most people prefer to use nippers, but honestly, it takes me forever to use nippers, and I find them a lot more dangerous because I find oftentimes when I have tried to use the nippers, they will kind of slip if they're not sharp enough, or even if they are sharp, and then I could end up stabbing my client. So the quickest and best way for me is to use an old carbide bit. So now I'm simply just going in and removing the design that is on top, and if she has any little bits of lifting, I am just simply tickling that away. I am not using a lot of pressure or anything like that. So I'm just going to continue doing this on all 10 fingers. Alright guys, so if you've watched any of my other Watch Me Work videos, you know what comes next. I'm going in with my cuticle pusher. I am pushing back the proximal nail fold and I'm exposing that cuticle. And then I'm going to go in with my hand file and I'm going to shape the nails. I'm also going to take off the shine on the natural nail that has grown out and remove any little bits of lifting if there are any left. So I recently purchased some of the Young Nails 100 grit files. I really like them. I'm not sure quite yet about the shape. I'm not used to the shape yet, but I do really like the grit of them. I do think that they're going to last a long time. Now don't be alarmed by the fact that I'm using a 100 grit on the natural nail. This is her old file. I've mentioned in other videos that I do keep my clients' files individually in envelopes. So when I go to do a fill, the file has already been used and it's not as coarse, so it does not harm the natural nail, and I can go a little bit rougher onto the acrylic area and just gently use it on the natural nail. And next I'm going in with my cuticle bit. I have a couple of cuticle bits that I really like. I will link them below. I get them from the Pink Chair in Saskatoon. I also have a coupon code I will put in the corner here for you guys. So I'm just gently going in and around and removing all of that cuticle. You can see it's just flying off. You guys, this is one of the most satisfying things. I absolutely love when I get like a good big chunk. Let me know in the comment sections below if I'm the only one who loves that. And I only have 2 clients who don't like it, but really every other client of mine, this is their favorite part of the service. I think they just love that it cleans up all that dead skin for them. So next I'm going to go in with my cleansing solution, which is a 50-50 mix of 99% alcohol and 100% acetone, and I'm just scrubbing it into the nail, removing any of the dust. And then I'm going to go in with 2 coats of my primer. Now you guys know I love using the Young Nails Protein Bond, but I hated the bottle. I am sorry, Young Nails, I've said this before, but I did not like the bottle, so I will link my top 5 favorites video below, because I actually found a little bottle that I transferred the Protein Bond into, and I much prefer it. So I'm going in with the same custom colored acrylic. I don't have an exact measurement of this one, but I do talk about it in another video. I basically use a cover blush color of acrylic. I use a little tiny bit of white. I use a crystal pink, and then I use a pink pigment and a purple pigment, very minimal amounts of those pigments. So I'm going in with my bead of acrylic, and I am just placing it at the cuticle area and then feathering it down, and I'm also making sure to check the apex and make sure that it's thicker. I'm just basically doing an infill here, but somebody had asked me if I could show them how I pick up my bead. So you can see I just kind of dab it in the acrylic 2 times. I kind of wait a couple of seconds and then I place it, and then I just pat it in and feather it down. So I will continue to do this on all 10 fingers, and then we're going to file and shape the nails and get ready for our little butterflies. Alright guys, so finally we are getting to these beautiful butterflies. These are decals from Glitter Mix Canada. Now these are not water decals, they are sticky decals, and I absolutely love them. After I did her nails, I actually ordered 2 more packs of them because I know as soon as I post this video, clients are going to be wanting them. And I also know that everybody else is going to be ordering them, so they're going to sell out quickly. And I have a coupon code for you guys. I will post it in the corner here for you below. So now when I was placing these decals down, I did start out by using their black tweezers with the little silicone tool on the end, and I was using it to really push down. Now you will see that in a little bit I actually just start using my fingers to push them down. I did find that some of them did kind of pop up on the corners a little bit, but it's an easy fix. All you have to do is once you are applying your top coat, you want to make sure that you go in after you apply your top coat and just file those little edges and buff a little bit, and then apply your final top coat. So I'm just going to fast forward through this for you guys and show you the end result. Now I know that someone is going to come for me in the comments and tell me that I should not have been using my finger to rub the decals down because the oils from my skin probably could transfer onto the nail and then cause the top coat to not stick. So yes, if you're going to use your fingers, make sure you have on a glove, but I honestly was not concerned. My hands were so dried out from the entire day of working that I was really just not even concerned about it, and her nails are doing just fine. So after her nails came out of the lamp, I gave them a quick wipe with some alcohol, and then you will see I ran my fingers just along the edges to see if I could feel any of the edges of the decals sticking out, and wherever I could feel them, I did just give a slight file, and then I buffed some of them as well, and then I just went over with one more top coat layer, and then we were good to go. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I told you it was going to be a quick one. It was a quick backfill with some beautiful butterflies. I absolutely love these decals. I cannot say enough. I'm so glad that I bought 2 more packages. Guys, I am so ready for spring. I don't know about you, but I am ready for it to be here, and these nails totally gave me spring vibes. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with someone else. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, guys, have an amazing day.